And welcome back to my channel for all of my returning subscribers, and welcome to anyone who is new here. Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you know every time I post, which is every Tuesday and Thursday of the week. Okay, twice a week, baby, coming at you, coming in hot. Okay, and also remember to like, share, and leave a comment. Okay, because I do get back to comments within 24 to 48 hours of when you leave your comment, because I get email notifications so I can stay on top of everything. Okay, that's how we do it. So like y'all read, we are doing a lipstick review and unboxing, so I haven't opened this product yet. If you watched my Sephora mini haul, the most recent one, I'll also put the link to that video. You'll see that's when I got it. And if you notice, I'm wearing the same outfit in that video because filming all in one day, batch filming, you know? So that's just how we do over here, okay? Because I'm not gonna come at y'all and change shirts for every video just so y'all think I'm doing this on a different day, because that's just not real life. And I want to give y'all everything authentically. So this is what we do. Okay, this is real life. I ain't on no extra Hollywood nothing. Okay, but if you don't know, you're gonna find out. I can get off on a tangent, so let me pull it back in, right? So anyway, and especially before I forget how to say this, we are unboxing and reviewing the Givenchy Rouge Interdit. I forgot how to say it. We're not gonna say it. It's French, and it means prohibited, okay? So the name, the translation is Red Prohibited Vinyl Lipstick, okay? And it is a lipstick universal tint, as it reads on the box, and it's supposed to be black, right? Black. Yes, the black international or universal tint. So yes, the color is 16 Noir, which is French for black. So I'm gonna just stand up and come closer. Actually, I'm gonna scoot the chair closer. Bam, there we go. So y'all can like really get into this. All right, here it is. Ooh, that's a glare. Thumbnail. And if you're new here, I just screenshot for all my thumbnails, so you're gonna catch me pausing. But let's get this bad boy open and see what's happening. So this was actually another TikTok made me buy it from Miss, I believe her name is, I'm totally sure her name is Mackenzie. But yes, saw it on her page. She's the same one that put me on to the Clinique Black Honey. So when I saw this one, boom, I knew I had to go get it. So let's get into it. Ooh. Ooh, this is cute. So it doesn't read Givenchy on that side, but it does on this side. This packaging, y'all, is so cute. I'm sorry about the glare. Ooh. Thumbnail options. Okay, so I don't even know how to open this, but let's see here. Pop. Okay, I think this is just, I don't know. Does this go back on? It does go back on, so. But I think that's just to protect the tassel here. Ooh, look at that tassel. I'm trying to. There we go. Bam. That's better. All right, and now we can pull it out. Or can we? Hold on. Do we have to turn it? No. I'm just trying to be really careful. Oh! Okay, there it is. All right, okay. And then here is the tube. That's what it looks like. Don't mind my nails, y'all. I have not gotten them done in like a couple months because I'm letting them grow out and get healthy again, because acrylics just beat them up. So don't mind my nails not being done. So this is it. And then twist, pull, push. Okay, there we go, twist. Ooh. There it is. Can you guys see that? Twist it some more. It's so black. Okay, we're just gonna twist it all the way up. That is it, twist it all the way out. Okay. Gonna twist that back down. And that's how that looks. So this packaging totally reminds me of those new Fenty lip glosses or lipsticks. But, ooh, and it clicks on in. That's cute though. Anyways, I'm gonna toss that over there. I have my makeup remover wipe. I didn't have anywhere else to put that. So here we go. With all of this lip gloss I currently have on off. And my lips have been like just beat up this winter. I also haven't been drinking enough water, so there's that. I hate how this is. How low I have my ring light right now for this. I have to bend down. But anyways, that's my fault. Now, okay, we're gonna twist it back out and see how this looks. I am so nervous. I don't know why. Yeah, like, oh, my lips hate me, but whatever. Ooh. All right, that's one coat. It's pretty much clear. I really don't see a tint, but it feels good. Like, I rub my lips together and they feel good. Like, it's nourishing. Like, it's like a, it's very moisturizing. It's not drying, which I really like. There's coat 2. Still not seeing any tint, but my lips have a natural color to them, so they're, you know, super pink in the middle and darker on the outside. So let's go for coat 3. Okay. I really am not seeing anything really happening. Like no color really taking place on my lips. Maybe on the upper lip a little bit. It's kind of darker, but not so much on my bottom lip because my bottom lip is really pink. Let's try coat number 4. I'm really not getting any tinted color on here. But maybe a little bit. I can definitely, I think, see on the darker parts of my lips that there's a slight tint, but not a lot of tint. That's 4 coats. We're gonna do one more coat, just because this is very, very moisturizing, and you can feel it build on your lips the more you put on, which is not a bad thing. Not a bad thing at all. I just don't want like oily feeling lips. So we'll do one more coat. So number 5. Okay. I actually like it. And here is why. Where is the... Let me put it away first and then give you guys one more close up on my lips. Mwah. So it's not a lot of tint, but I really like this. I'm gonna sit back down and explain. Okay, so even though it doesn't have a rich color, at least show through on my lips, you can still, I don't know why I'm sitting down because I'm gonna just stay close. You can still see on the outer portions of my lips that it's darker compared to the inside of my lips where I have a very vibrant pink tone on my lips, and it honestly brings it out to me. like I can, just standing back, you can see the darkness more and then the pink. And it's, you can kind of see the darkness, like the black when I'm a bit further away from the camera. But it kind of just highlights the natural colors in my lips without me having to do a lip liner and then a lipstick. If that is making sense to you, I hope that makes sense to everyone that's like a beginner here, like I am, and even to my more advanced people that are watching this. It brings out the natural features of my lips without me having to use something else. Like, I do like this a lot. That was 5 coats, and I could definitely rock with 3 or 4. It's very moisturizing. Like, I'm the type of person that likes to rub their lips together a lot, and I can do that without messing up the look. I would never even use a lip liner with this, because like as you can see, you can see the darker tones on my lips. So let me get, okay. Let me get my little remover here, and we're gonna remove half. So I'm gonna remove the left side just so we can see like a difference, because I believe you can, oh yeah, we can get the side-by-side comparison. So this is what I was talking about. So the right side we have it on, and the left side we don't. Like I said, the winter's been tearing up my lips. Don't worry about it. It's okay. You can see on the outside here how it's darker, and it really just brings it out more on this side. And then the pink. Side with, side without. So yeah, you can definitely catch the difference. I really like this. I wasn't sure about it or how it would look on me because my lips are multi-toned. And the creator, I'm gonna be so upset if her name is not Mackenzie, but I will definitely tag her below. Her lips are all one tone, and her lips are pink, but not as pink as mine. And like on hers, you can just like see. Trying to catch the side up. There we go. I love it. You can see a little bit of like a tint on her lips, but yeah, I'm feeling it. But that's it. So yes, this is, and it literally reads Givenchy on this side. I know I showed y'all that before. This cute little tassel. I don't know, I just like the tassel. I think it's just the cutest little touch. Anyways, that is my unboxing and initial thoughts on the Givenchy I'm gonna just say universal. Yeah, universal tint is what it reads on the box. So it is a black universal tint lipstick, but it feels like a nice nourishing chapstick on your lips. I just rub them together all day. Like, it feels so good. So yeah, those are my initial thoughts. I hope y'all could really see the difference. Like, I hope y'all was seeing what I was seeing, and because I study my face a lot, so like I can tell the difference, which I hope everyone kind of studies themselves and knows when things are changing and happening with not just on your face, but you know, within your whole body. Anyways, let's get off that tangent. Thank you for watching my initial thoughts. Like, I literally just opened this. Everything was authentic. One take and done, because you can only do something authentically one time. So, I really like it. Oh yes, and this is not a cheap lipstick. This retails for $34.99 or like 34 and some change. So yeah, definitely worth it. I don't know if I'd buy it again once I run out, but I might. This might be a re-up one. But yes, I really like this. And this is great for, you know, just an everyday lipstick. So I probably said thank you like 50,000 times, but I can't say thank you enough. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. And if you have not subscribed by now, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications, because I do post every Tuesday and Thursday. That's twice a week for y'all, so y'all will always be entertained. Yes, you're welcome. Anyways, do remember to like, share, and comment. When you do leave comments, I get back to you within 24 to 48 hours when I see them, because I get email notifications. So if it's something as little as me just liking the comment, it's letting you guys know that I see you and I appreciate you. Because sometimes I don't know what to say. Like, we're all human. I don't sometimes just like, thanks, I guess. I don't know. Thanks for them. Like, some comments I've seen are just like, just give me information about something. I'm just like, okay, thanks for the information. I don't really know what to do with this, but I see you and I appreciate you. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to follow me on my socials, my personal Instagram page is Chelly92, and my fitness page is FitXChelly. I am a certified personal trainer here in Dallas, Texas, a deep town. But if you don't live here, live close, I do also offer online training. So if you want to get fit with Chelly, or train, if you want to get fit with Chelly and train with Chelly, so get fit with Chelly. Hit me up, send me a DM, and we'll get it popping. We'll see what your goals are and see how I can help you reach them. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. And until next time, it's your girl, Chelly May.